everyone. So today let's talk about this Microwork free paying app. Hello everyone. I actually forgot that it's Friday today. So I just want to share with you this app that I've been playing. Actually, I downloaded this last Feb 10 and I've already cashed out $1.25 using this app. This is very easy. It is called Microwork app. Now you can download this in iOS. You can also download this on Android phones. It's available. It's a free app. So let me just go there. So there are different tasks here. Basically all you have to do, I already signed up, so just sign up, download it, sign up for it, pretty step by step. It's gonna ask you to put in your email, blah 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 and stuff like that, pretty standard. And in this app, so we're already inside the app, there are several tasks. All you have to do is take pictures. So there are tasks in the airport, airlines, menus, and there's also an end date. So if you can still do this task, you can see the date at right here. See? So I've already done a task here. So I actually did the facial expressions task here, and this actually ends on 1st of March 2020. So I finished that already. So I'm going to go to earnings. There you go, guys. So for earnings, I have already earned $1.25. I only downloaded this app last Feb 10, and I pretty much had this $1.25 in less than an hour just by taking selfies. So it's quite easy. So they just asked me to take a picture of myself for sad face, happy face, stuff like that. Very, very easy to do. And they actually pay you using you have to have a cryptocurrency wallet. So what I used is my coins.ph wallet here, and this is in Ethereum. Sorry, they pay you in Ethereum. So yeah, so you have to have a cryptocurrency wallet in Philippines, because I'm from Philippines. I'm in Philippines right now. We use coins.ph. So I already received this payment. Let me just get out of this app. Hold on. Let me go to my coins.ph here. Okay guys, we're now in coins.ph. I am gonna go to my Ethereum history here. So hold on, February 10. So okay, received from external account. So this is what I've received. So this is it, guys. Payment successful. Let's show the blockchain here. So yep, this is it, guys. So I received this 3 days ago. Okay, so the value, I guess when Ethereum was a bit high that time, it's only $1.25, but converted in Ethereum, it's $1.51. So yeah, it was a bit high, and there was a transaction fee of $0.02. So guys, I have received it successfully, and I already converted it in our peso currency as well. Sorry, there's a bit of a glare. Okay, so that's it. That's how easy this app is. It's very easy to navigate. I hope you would give it a go, and if you like it, do leave a comment below. If not, then I am so sorry, but it does work for me. Yeah, so just give it a try. It's a free app anyways, and if you like more videos like this, then do subscribe on my channel, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.